Hi, I'm from the Customer Success Engineering team. In this series of short videos, we're taking a look at the baseline recommendations for configuring Zscaler Digital Experience, or ZDX. This is part 1, covering the value of ZDX. Before we talk about ZDX, let's first talk about how digital experience monitoring is traditionally performed. Most DEM is done using point tools, which monitor different parts of the user experience separately: device monitoring, network monitoring, and SaaS or web app monitoring. Unfortunately, zero trust architectures break network monitoring tools, and the other types of tools only see parts of the data path. This lack of visibility leaves IT teams unprepared and forces them to firefight problems after users complain, rather than proactively detecting and fixing them. ZDX solves this problem by providing IT teams with end-to-end visibility and performance metrics across user devices, Wi-Fi, ISPs, the Zscaler service, and applications. This leverages the Zscaler Client Connector, the same lightweight endpoint agent that secures your users, apps, and data to collect telemetry. Depending on your license level, ZDX can also integrate with Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and WebEx, allowing it to offer call-quality insights for every meeting and its participants, and use machine learning to analyze telemetry data and accurately expose the root causes of poor user experiences. Armed with these insights, network operations teams can detect developing issues across ISPs, corporate networks, applications, and more, and fix them early. Service desk teams can triage and escalate tickets to the right teams for quicker, more efficient resolution, putting employees back to work faster. To give you an understanding of the data ZDX can leverage for this, let's take a look at the telemetry collected across the entire data path. ZDX is able to gather the following device metrics: health data, such as CPU or memory usage, and disk I/O, bandwidth or Wi-Fi signal strength; process-specific CPU, memory, network, and disk usage metrics; device, software, and application inventory information, including versions and patches, as well as Windows-specific metrics like boot time or crash reports. From a network perspective, ZDX can get information across the full network path, including Wi-Fi, last mile, and intermediate ISPs, and the Zscaler service across multiple protocols, hop-by-hop latency and packet loss metrics, and application performance metrics like DNS time, page fetch time, or application availability. All of these combine together to give ZDX the vantage points it needs to provide comprehensive digital experience monitoring. One note before we move on: ZDX has several licenses, each of which has different capabilities. It's worth understanding the differences between these. For customers on the ZDX standard license, you have access to unified monitoring and email alerts for up to 3 applications, polling at 15-minute intervals with 2 days of data retention and 3 alert rules. The ZDX Advanced license adds most of the key ZDX features: AI-powered root cause analysis of experience issues, active deep tracing sessions, call quality monitoring, reporting and analytics tools such as performance impact analysis for specific apps, or organization-wide device and software inventories, and ITSM tool integration via webhooks or API. This also expands the number of applications you can monitor simultaneously to 15, with polling every 5 minutes, up to 25 alert rules, and 14 days of data retention. Finally, the ZDX Advanced Plus license adds device health dashboards, software processes, and real-time hardware usage analysis, continuous proactive Wi-Fi and ISP issue monitoring and user alerting, ZDX Copilot, AI assistant for instant troubleshooting and insights, and Zscaler-hosted probes for your applications. This also further expands the number of simultaneously monitored applications and alert rules. License-specific features will be called out in these videos wherever possible, but it's worth keeping these license levels in mind. Finally, it's worth noting that deploying ZDX is incredibly easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. First, note that ZDX requires Zscaler Client Connector, our single lightweight endpoint agent, which is used for ZIA, private access, and ZDX. With ZCC deployed, rolling ZDX out to your users is as simple as enabling the ZDX service entitlement in the Client Connector portal. A single click is all it takes. Once this is done, all you'll need to do is configure applications to monitor inside the ZDX portal, then configure alerts and webhook integrations, and ZDX will be up and running, monitoring your users' experience and enabling your network ops and service desk teams to proactively detect and resolve issues before users start opening tickets. We'll discuss both these things, configuring applications and setting up alerts, in the next few parts of this video series, but that's it for now. Thank you for watching.